Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a rose stitch. So we're going to start by making a star similar to this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for you to see. This is also sometimes called a wagon wheel stitch. You will see why. Or a weaving flower. So once you've got your 5-pointed star, like so. So my thread is under. Now I'm going to come up on the side. You can see my needles. My thread is next to those first few stitches I did. You're going to begin weaving. So I'm going over this thread, under this thread, over that one, under, all the way around. And you just keep going and going, and it will build your flower. Over, under, over, under. I'll show you a few places I've used these. Spread throughout here. Lots of cute little ones. You can find these patterns in my shop, A Lively Hope, on Etsy. There's some more. Got one more right here. Rosebud. Oops. Wreath.